It's been a very long time since we analyzed all the different PEAKDEFI IDO projects, so today we are going to have a look at each and every project to see how they are developing, if they are still in progress, and how far are they with their development, and if they didn't have TGE yet, when the TGE is going to happen. So let's go. But first of all, we have to look at the crypto market. Let's look at these green numbers. This is like a very happy face that you see here, because these green numbers, excellent. So yeah, let's go to our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. If we check out our PEAKDEFI Launchpad, we can check out the completed sales page here. And here the very first project was Tangible, where we did the sale in 2022 in April. And this was the very first IDO that we did on our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. And here we can check out their website. And the website didn't change much compared to the last video I did. They offer a migration from the 3.3 TNFTs that our community got when they purchased the token here through our IDO. Then our community got the 3.3 TNFT, and now you can migrate that into the new assets from Tangible. And if we check out their Twitter account, we can also see that they are very actively posting on Twitter. They still have 22,000 followers, and they post very regularly about their performances from the USDR token that they launched with the real world assets combined. So yeah, they're developing, they're doing a good job, they're working on it, and our community still got a very good deal with Tangible. So we are very happy that these were our first partners for our first IDO back in the days in 2022. So we can close those windows. So if we check out the next project, which is another one, then we are not that happy with the developments of another one, because when we signed the contract, when we signed the IDO with them, they said, yeah, we are going to have the TGE very soon. So we did the sale in 2023, so 1.5 years ago, and we don't have TGE yet. They are still developing and they are still on track, but they didn't confirm a date yet, so we have no idea when they're going to have the IDO, when they're going to have the TGE. So hopefully it will be soon, but yeah, we don't have any update right now. If I would have more information, I would give it to you. But yeah, the website looks the same as last time when we did the video analysis. And on their Twitter account, we can see that they're posting regular stuff on Twitter. So they're developing, they're working, they have summits and podcasts with other companies as well. And they're building on base, etc., etc. So yeah, we will see what they come up with once they have confirmed the TGE. And then I will update you more about the details of the TGE. But yeah, until then, we just have to wait and be patient what they are coming up with in the next few weeks. So the next project, let's close it. The next project is Vendetta. Vendetta Gaming was a project that we did earlier this year, and the TGE happened right after it. So we can see here that we did the whitelisting, we closed the whitelisting, we did the sale. The sale ended on February 16th. And then on March 11th, so not even 1 month later, we had the TGE. And this is what we like about projects, because then there was a 2-month cliff, and then from May 12th, our community could do a daily vesting, which they can still do right now. So yeah, this is very happy for us, because we can see that they actively worked towards their TGE. Everything worked out. So the website, if you check out the website, you can see new games, new developments here on the website that they publish very often, very frequently. And also if we check out their Twitter account, we can also see that they post very regularly, frequently, with the different tournaments, with the new things like promo codes or marketplace or new developments. So yeah, Vendetta Gaming is doing a good job, and we are also very happy that we had them as our IDO partners. And then the next project is Ava. Ava is a project a little bit similar to another one, because here we did the sale last year in summer, like June, July, in June 2023. So also again, almost 1.5 years ago, and they didn't have TGE yet. So we don't have a TGE yet, and we can't access the token yet. But here, finally, we got an answer that they're aiming for December this year with the TGE. It's not confirmed yet, but this is what what the current progress is. So yeah, if we check out their website, it still looks the same as last time. And if we check out their Twitter account, we can see that they're actively posting news here on Twitter. They're showing us new developments. They have like Twitter spaces where they talk with other projects as well about crypto stuff. So yeah, they're doing a good job establishing themselves as a project, and hopefully with the TGE coming up in December, we will have more positive news next time when we do an analysis video about all the past IDOs from our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. So we can close those windows. The next project is Sugar Kingdom Odyssey, which is a project that we did earlier this year. And here again, everything worked out perfectly with the token distribution and with the sale. This was actually a sale where after 20 minutes we sold out, and then we were able to get more tokens for our community, because initially we just wanted to raise 50,000, but since we were sold out after 20 minutes, we raised the amount to 80,000, which was very happy for Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. And yeah, the sale ended on March 20th, 2024, so this year, and then on April 2nd, 2024, the TGE happened. And then our community got 16% at TGE, and then a daily vesting for 4 months. So our community got all the tokens together now for Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. And if we check out the website, the game looks still the same. And on Twitter, they post like regular stuff. They did like some questions here, what kind of projects they want to have, like with the tokens and the tournaments soon. And then they post other stuff about the game, about new developments, about the tournaments, etc., etc. So you can check out their Twitter. You can see they're posting very frequently. So they're actively working towards a better game. So yeah, I'm very positive when it comes to Sugar Kingdom Odyssey as well. Let's close it here. Then the next project is Anode, and with Anode it's a little bit difficult as well, because the sale or the IDO happened, everything went fine, our community got the tokens, because we ended the sale on September 10th, 2023, and then in April this year they did the TGE, and now our community got the linear vesting here. But they have been very quiet about their token in general. Like if you check out their website, you will see heaps of information about like the project itself. If you check out their Twitter account, they post very, very frequently, like every day, multiple posts, and they post a lot of stuff, and they're doing a lot of stuff. But if you actually look for the token specifically, then you see that it's not that much about their token, what you can find. Like in a quick research, you have to dig it a little bit deeper about the token and the tokenomics, etc., etc. So yeah, this is a project, it's working, everything is working fine, they're developing, but in my opinion, they should focus a little bit more on their token holder and to get more information down to the token holder. So yeah, maybe next time I will have more information about the token specifically and the developments that regard the token and tokenomics in the future. And then the next project is Fragment. Yeah, we don't have to talk about that, because here this text says it all. There were some bad people working with Fragment tokens during TGE, not like from our side, not our Launchpad, and not from Fragment itself, from the project, but like other investors where they did like private sales too. They got like allocations that they sold before they were supposed to, etc. So it was all crazy, and we were able to refund our community and give them an additional compensation of, I think it was 20% as an airdrop for each investor, even though they got all their money back. So yeah, this was not a very happy ending, but it was an ending which gave our community like a bonus on top of their investment that they got refunded. So yeah, I think this is a positive story still. But yeah, we can check out the next project. The next project is HVD AI. And HVD AI was a great sale. We did a regular sale. We raised 100,000, which was very good in May this year. And then the TGE, here it says to be announced, but yeah, the TGE was announced and the TGE happened. And then on August 11th from 1 p.m., our community was able to claim the token for 10 months, or it is still able to claim the tokens. And if we check out their website, we can see it looks still the same here with the website, what they show us here, with the integration that they are publishing and working with. But if we check out their Twitter account, we can see that they post regular stuff here on Twitter, that they have new developments, that they did a conversion here with ETH tokens towards fast tokens and other stuff. So yeah, this is like the future of television is right here with the HVD AI. And I did a video about this project like on our YouTube channel, which you can check out. And I think that it develops very good. Like, they develop what they promised that they want to develop. They are on the roadmap that they showed us with us before the IDO. So yeah, H3AI is a great project, and I hope that they will flourish in the future and that we will see more of them very soon. Then the next project is Octavia. Yeah, I don't have to say much about Octavia. We did the sale last year. They did the, they did also, oh, yeah, this is wrong. It should be 2024. They did the token launch, so everything went fine. Everything is working. If we check out their website, it's still the same as last time. And on their Twitter account, we can see that they post regular stuff here, that they do like challenges with other projects, that they do like, liquidity providing, they do like Twitter spaces with other projects. So yeah, they are very active. They're a very good crypto project, and we hope that we will see more from Octavia in the future as well. And then last but not least, we have BitRivals. BitRivals is a project that I personally like because I used the game in the past as well. And this is a platform that allows you to gain experience like cross-chain on different games, on different blockchains, etc. So the setup, how they work with their use case is like really, really good. Like I really like how they set up the whole project and how the idea behind the project works. But on the downside, we did the sale earlier this year, in April here, this year, and they didn't have TGE yet. So they updated me that they want to do the TGE hopefully in November, December this year. It's not perfectly confirmed, but this is what they're aiming for. So hopefully it works out, and then our community will get 10% TGE, and then a 9-month linear vesting. I will communicate it through our Twitter. I will communicate it through our Telegram channels if we can activate the TGE and the vesting. So when they do the TGE. But yeah, I hope that they develop like more and faster towards the TGE like they promised, because when we did the sale, they usually promised us, yeah, the TGE will happen in May, so 1 month later, and then it didn't happen. Then they postponed and postponed and postponed. So yeah, hopefully it will work out in the end, and that our community will get all the tokens and hopefully a profit back. So yeah, when you check out the website, they show you all the different things that you need to know about the project, and I think this is like a very good project. I personally really like it. And if we check out their Twitter account, we can see that they are preparing for the TGE. They are preparing like with the future of new gaming, stuff like that. So yeah, they're working towards new projects, or they're working with other projects as well. They do like giveaways and stuff like that. So yeah, check out their Twitter account, check out what they post all the time here, because I think they're doing a really good job. And hopefully the TGE will happen very soon. So this is the last information that I wanted to show you about our PEAKDEFI Launchpad projects. So yeah, it was a 30-minute analysis. I did it really quick today because I don't want to go into too many details about the different projects. If you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments. And if not, then have a nice evening and see you next time. Bye bye.